I will tell. So try to remember the thing. Okay. So first one is, whenever the question comes, what is ITIL? ITIL means IT Infrastructure Library. ITL provide practical, no nonsense framework. ITL is nothing but a framework. Okay, it's a business process related. Okay, so ITL provide a practical, no nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the businesses. So benefits of following ITL is improved IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction, improved productivity, improved use of skills and experience. ITL has a 5 life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, continual service improvement. Very short form of explaining service strategy is just in a service strategy how to identify a business or a service or a user request, plan to implement the business, okay, implement the business or a service, okay, demand in the market. Service strategy involves demand. Okay, directly I will explain one by one with the internal life cycles. I told guys 5 life cycles. So here it is. In this one, I will explain directly each and every life cycle directly. What happening? Okay. This is a service strategy. So different kind of stuff is there in a drawing is there. If you have a drawing, then it is okay. No problem. Finance management. So okay. Said it is drawing, right? So drawing. Yeah. Finance management. Control Z won't work. Okay. So finance management, like I want to start a business in my service strategy, how to check how much money I have, how much black money I have, how much investment from the banks, finance corporations, finance corporations, I will get the money and how to distribute on it. I want to start a business. I know one good organization itself, it is very good. Starting is very good. Investment is also good, like they build glass doors, ACs, full equipment, and everything is good, and business is very dull. Some are having a shops like that, 2 3 benches, and there is one cook, and also it's very happy, like most running business. So that's the thing, it is always depends upon, okay, it is depends upon how much business outcome we will get it. Based on that, you have to investment on which you will investment, on which you investment on an infrastructure, you investment on a people who are working, investment on a advertisements. Some are not a quality product, but advertisement is very good. The advertisement of the product is very good, okay, not even a good quality product. If you compare to a lot of products, big company products like Microsoft or a Lenovo kind of stuff, or maybe Geo, okay, like that. If you see Geo also, Geo is a very less small part of thing, means maybe they spend very less on the Geo advertisements. Most of the controversies, based on that only, they will get a lot of business, because quality, no quality, because it's a cheaper lot of things like a quality, price that demands more than an advertisement. But if you compare with the Airtel advertisement, Airtel is a very big advertisement. very big advertisement, more cost, the service cost is very high that time. Now also cost. So no difference cost. Okay. So finance management, how to bring money to invest on our business, how to spread the money among the businesses. That is a finance management question. Okay. Next, service portfolio management. Service portfolio management. So what is this service portfolio management? Look at here. I have a multiple services, like a service 1, service 2. For example, I'm providing telephone service. I'm providing telephone service, internet service, streaming service. Okay, like this. What are the services I am providing from my organization? So that is called a service catalog and service portfolio management. Service catalog and service portfolio managements are interlinked. So what is service portfolio management? It is where is the picture? Okay, what are the services are available or coming in a pipeline? Upcoming services are there. So, and what services you are going to provide? Service portfolio management. So, what is our service? What is service you are providing? So that is a service portfolio management. Okay. So what are the services are provided? Now the question will come up always, right? What is my question is, what are the services from Microsoft organization? Microsoft is also an organization, right? So Microsoft services. Anybody? Just because Microsoft are having more idea to multiple people, right? That's why I'm asking this question. Tell me, what are the Microsoft services?
Office applications, Windows,
Microsoft Office,
MS Office, Office 365,
Edge, Microsoft Edge, browser,
Microsoft Edge, operating system, Windows operating system, desktop, Windows 10, Windows 11 kind of stuff, Windows Server operating systems, okay, Hyper-V, cloud services, Azure services, right? Cloud, Azure services, private cloud and public cloud. Public cloud is Azure, private cloud is there SCCM, SCV, AC kind of stuff is there in that one, private cloud kind of stuff, SCAC, okay. Dynamic CRM, customer relationship management, dynamic CRM, okay. Teams, Microsoft Teams, okay. Teams, Skype for business, okay. Skype for business, like that. So there is a BizTalk servers. So like that, so many Microsoft services are there, and collaboration services also there, like a Microsoft Surface Pro. Okay, like that. Same question for a Cognizant. What are the services of Cognizant? What are the services of a TCS? Oracle. Oracle services are again very easy. Oracle services, databases. Here is also database, Microsoft database, my MS SQL, Oracle database, Oracle DB. Okay, Oracle DB. MySQL is also belongs to Oracle now, because Sun, which is inside, is one of the part of Oracle. Red Hat operating system, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, business analytical tools, cloud services. Okay, so Oracle services. So what you do, guys, I'm giving this one assignment type, compulsory do it. Go to each and every company, mostly the highlighted company. Most regular companies, as you know, so go to each and every company. So Like one is like a Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Tata, or a Oracle, Savantis. Okay, so go to each and every company. So find out what are the services they are providing. Okay, what are the services they are providing? Application services, artificial intelligence service, business process services, cloud enablement, core modernization, digital experience, digital strategy, enterprise service, something like intelligent process, quality, security, like that. Industries, what kind of industries it is supporting. Same goes for other organization also. Compulsory do it, guys. Then only you will get an idea of a company, that to which company you are going to join, which company you are working. So you will get a that related company idea. You will get it first of all. Second one is when you are into the IT, so you must have an idea of what is the different type of IT services. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So what are the service portfolio, different services? Next one is demand. Demand management. Already I told what is the demand of normal egg and herbal egg. Okay. So demand management. What is the demand of the particular service? Like Office 365 has a lot of demand compared to other kind of products. Maybe cloud services having more demand nowadays compared to all other services. Cloud services are in a more demand. So in a current market, the cloud got the more in the compared to the cloud is introduced almost like 7-8 years back only. Cloud is in the market. 7-8 years, no, more than that one. Okay, AWS Azure is already introduced 10 years back. On 2012 itself we have a Azure cloud is there. Okay, so not more than 10, but almost 2012 server when it is there, that time itself cloud is there. Okay, so 2010, 11, 12, that time only cloud is there, but it is not getting popular. But last 5-6 years, if you see, lot of people are learning the cloud services, lot of people are working on a cloud, lot of demand in the job in a cloud services related. So that is a demand in the market. So best check the demand. I create a service but no demand. For example, I'm in a my Vishakhapatnam place. I want to sell a vada pav. What is that one? I forget the name. Dabeli, Dapata, whatever it is. It's a very good demand in the Pune market, but it is not. People don't know what is the food item it is. Okay, so obviously no demand market it is. Okay, if I start selling the rice, dal, or sambar in the Pune market, it is people don't accept that market. Maybe may not be. Thing is, what is the demand? What is the people like it? So the maximum demand of the particular product. So you have to understand and deliver. Strategy management. So again, strategy management. So totally it is a service strategy itself. In a service strategy management, how much you can able to investment, what is the demand, what is the services are required to deliver now and later kind of stuff, how long we can able to survive in this particular thing, anything you need to change. Okay, guys, ITL is a big question mark. Okay, ITL questions are itself, it's a big question mark. So that's everything is question mark. Finally, business relationship management. Finally, business relationship management. What is this business relationship management? Is linked to service level management. See, this is a business relationship management and this is the service level management. In this one, again, it comes this ITSM. It means IT service management. What is the IT service management? It is the main aim is, okay, create a value and deliver to customer. So value to the customer, value to the customer. So that is the managing services. Service management is make sure customer get service as per required. As per required. So as per required or a promise. That is IT service management. Okay. Now, what is this SLA? Service. Tell me.
Service level agreement.
Very good. Very good. Service level agreement. What is this service level agreement? It is a contract between organization, service provider, customer. Very good. It's a contract or formal contract. We can use different words. Contract between service provider and customer. It means what services we are providing, we should give the service to customer. Okay, that is the SLA. Another things are there, OLA, UC kind of stuff. Already I told there is a video, find it. OLA, organizational level customer kind of stuff. Okay, UC kind of stuff. SLA, OLA, UC. This is a compulsory. Check it. See, stand for service level agreement signed between customer and service provider. OLA stand for operational agreement signed between business unit and internal IT of same organization. UC stands for underpinning contract signed between service provider and a vendor. You know, last time we don't have a time for last batch. I just you can go and check it once. Okay, at least for you. I am not compromising now. Earlier I compromised a lot with different batches. For your batch, I don't compromise. I will teach what I can able to teach first of all. Underpinning contract. Okay, SLA service level agreement, OLA operational level agreement, UC underpinning contracts. Again, so what is this SLA? It is a contract between customer and service provider. OLA operational level, it means it is between internal IT organization and your business unit, BU. Okay, so it means I have to maintain same organization only. It is a same organization only. I am maintaining infrastructure. Okay, so my that part of the division part of IT infrastructure is belongs to someone and business unit. Okay, so business unit is will bring the business and do the business kind of stuff, and internal IT infrastructure is maintaining infrastructure for the organization, means continuous service up and running, make sure by internal organization, internal IT part only. So it is not belongs to external part. Underpinning OLA operational agreement. Underpinning contract is service provider and vendor. Who is the vendor? It is we are a vendor for Cognizant HCL, right? So we are a vendor for Cognizant and HCL. So it is like we are a vendors. So Don't give that example. Here it is. I have a mine is some procurement company type. It means if I started someone started, I will go to this diagram. Okay. So for example, Manoj started some IT business company, means some software development company. Okay. So he can't go to purchase one by one computer, right? So he will take a contract. Guys, understand this, how service things will work. Asking some other, okay, means like who is attended Nitesh. Nitesh company, this is Manoj company, this is Nitesh company. So he's asking Nitesh company, please give me some computers with the configuration and service. So he sold computers. He said, okay, I will provide a computers for you. You'll send computers and install the computers in the Manoj company. Okay, so compulsory, what are the configuration is given, based on that configuration only I should get a computers. Next, this another company. Okay, another company is tell me some other names. What happened? People are gone. 17 people. Very good. Swami company. Very important topic. People gone. Okay, is a provider of network related thing. So Manoj contacts Swami company for network related device purchasing. So this is hardware related, this is network related. So he put a network, routers, switches, firewalls, like that. Okay. So what happened? Nitesh asking like I will do AMC also. I will do AMC also because of AMC contract means annual maintenance contract is there. Understand guys, what is this service operations? Why we all need this kind of stuff? I am telling very basic example.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nitesh company is providing computers and also signed a AMC contract, or maybe there are already Manoj company already having computers, they connected AMC contract. So what it is in that AMC is listed like this. The first role is, so every 1 month, every first of the month, our guy and come and check each and every computer and verify the cable connections and all. Any service requirement, he will do it freely. What is the first terminology? I agreed. Yes, one of my candidate will come to your company and verified each and every computer, how it is function, the any repairs or service related issues are there, we'll do it. Like you take a bike for a service, right? First service, second service, third service. That is the service. Second, if any issues occur in my company, any issues occur, so my guy will come up immediately and fix the issue. Any issue occurs in your organization, any PC is down, any your hard disk is not working, my the service person will come up and fix the issue. That is second one. Third one is charge for extra components. Any component replacement is there, any chargeable component replacement is there, charges will be occurs. No OS installation, no OS operating system we don't install. You have to buy operating system. Okay, we will install for you, but it is chargeable. That is my contract. See, I define a contract between a one organization to another organization. So this is a SLA. I given a SLA, AMC contract, annual maintenance contract. So pay yearly, but every month we provide a formal services, regular services, and as well as if you got any issues, we'll come up and fix the issues. This is what the IT business is going on like that. Okay, next. Last, underpinning contract. What is this underpinning contract? For example, I am providing a computers, components like that. Here also providing routers, switches, cables, kind of. But they have to buy from someone, right? They have to buy from someone. I purchase from maybe Intel, maybe Gigabyte, maybe Corsair, like that. So I different vendors, right? I purchase it from different vendors. I purchase a RAMs from Corsair. I purchase a I will tell my country. Okay, I purchase a processor from Intel's. I purchase a board from MSI. I purchase a cabinets and SMPS from Dharma Lake. Okay, so I purchase a hard disk from Western Digital. Okay, so different vendors, they are selling products. So then I will put a contract. So these are the items you have to send me on by this particular time. That is UC. Okay, so contract between service provider and vendor. Okay, networking sales, Cisco networking, Juniper networking components, D-Link, right? So D-Link is a vendor. I get a components from the D-Link. Okay, that is UC. This is SLA. Okay, so this is it. But where is OLA? OLA in the within the organization only, within the organization. Myself, I am maintaining infrastructure and business unit. So they will check it. So who is maintaining infrastructure and keep maintaining? That is like, this is the guarantee infrastructure working component. That's the OLA. Guys, understand the first of all, not OLA SLA part. The story I try to say it is a vendor relationship, contract relationship between one organization to another organization. Okay,
Sir,
I'm
can
a
you tell
software developer. You tell me.
Sir, once can you tell OLA, sir?
OLA. OLA is like a my organization maintaining infrastructure. For example, you take something like TCS, big organization, right? They're maintaining infrastructure like a servers, routers, computers, everything. Okay, and a business unit means there are developers working on the computers, using the servers like that, right? So what is there internally? They have a one agreement, that is, if my in the internal only, if system is down, so there is a service support people are there, internal customer. When we say internal customer means supporter, IT supporting, and customer, both are working in a same organization.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if you got a, for example, I am unable to connect with VPN. For example, I am not able to connect VPN. So what I have to do? I have to call my service desk people. I am unable to connect a VPN. Check the VPN connectivity. So I am the person who is working in the organization, and as well as my supporter is also in the same organization. Okay, that is OLA type. ITSM managing service management only. That's why ITIL is a whole business. ITSM is a mainly concentrate on customer, is make sure that customer is getting service and improvement of quality of the services. SLM, BLM, business level management, service level management. Okay, business level management, service level management. Service level management is again ITSM. Why I said ITSM? Because service level management is mainly concentrating on SLA. Important is SLA life cycles, SLA kind of stuff only. So what is the thing? It's so make sure customer getting service as per given, as per SLA. That is a service level management. But sometimes, okay, but sometimes SLA violated. Sometimes SLA violated. Meaning is service provider unable to provide service as per SLA, OLA, whatever it is. So you agree to provide a service, you are unable to provide a service. Okay. For example, I will tell. So one example I am telling, guys. I said 50 Mbps internet service. This is always a easy example I tell. So 50 Mbps internet, but okay, 100% uptime. It means it won't get disconnected, but I'm disconnecting. So customer getting only 10 Mbps or a frequent disconnect. So what happened? You are violated SLA. You are violated SLA. So what to do? Okay, so here it is. Cheer up the customer. How to cheer up? Smile, take a photo, kind of stuff. Don't do like that, okay? So some people give an answer, satisfy the customer. So what is the meaning of satisfaction? It means give some offers, discounts, okay? Calm. So because of customer is very on fire, right? So last Friday and this Monday, I went to the Axis Bank, right? So on Friday it is full of fire, but Monday I don't mind anything, just whether it is works or not works, we decide and do it. Okay, so that's the address change part. Okay, so like that, calm the customers, give some discounts, give some offers. Okay, discounts, offer kind of stuff you have to give. So what is an example for that one? I can't type it. Why, guys? Please listen very carefully. In our Pune office, again, in our Pune office, we have a internet connection. Again, internet connection. Okay. So it is not. We didn't get a like a 20 days no internet. Okay. We took a almost like a 20 days, means continuously 15 days, 20 days, something like that. We didn't get internet. More than 20 days disturbance internet. So due to metro rail. To metro rail. You know, same thing like Modi inaugurated metro rail in Pune. So that junction only, Garware College. Okay. So due to metro rail construction. Due to metro rail construction, they're constructed. So there is a wiring disturbance is there. So we are unable to get a internet. Then you got a bill. So no bill payment. Okay. No bill payment. What they will do? Disconnected. Finally. Then we make a call. So we are not getting what it is. We are not getting internet for 20 days. And why we should pay? Understand the question, guys? We are not getting the service. Why should we pay? Because we are not getting the service. If you are not using the service, that's a different thing. But if you are not paying, that's a different thing, right? Okay. Understand the question? No one is again. So when it is in a ending position, people not give one even not even a small sound also. Okay. So our manager. Okay. So from actually Charan sir made a call that one. So that manager of service provider. ISP branch. Okay. So that branch manager or a sales manager, someone. Okay. The sales people. So then what it is? So they give 15 days. So they said they gave next 15 days of internet because we are continuously not getting internet for 15 days, around 15 days. We are not getting internet. Okay. Randomly we got a more than 20 days, something like that. We are not getting internet randomly, but 15 days continuous internet is not getting. So they gave next 20 days of internet, then bill payment. So this is BSLM, best example for a BLM, business level management. So guys, why I'm telling this story, because it has happened also. Important is SLA is a terminology wise. SLA is very important. ITSM, IT service management, service level management, business level management, and handling the customer. Point is here how to handle the customer. Yes, can be anyone. Customer can be your inside your organization. The customer can be outside of the organization. Customer can be a or other organization. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, look at here in this picture. Okay. Same thing. Customer can be is a different organization. Customer can be a different organization. Customer can be a single person who is a outside a person. Customer can be working in organization. Important thing is how to handle this customer. Listen to the customer issues. Make him calm down. Tell him we'll check it. Never say no to the customer. First of all, listen to the customer. Always how to handle the customer thing. To handle the customer, listen to the customer first. Okay, listen to the customer. Explain what he can able to understand. How much he can able to understand. What explain the situation. Explain why he got that problem. Is his problem or our problem? Also explain it. Next. So how to solve the problem? So give assurance. Sorry, again. Actually, I type correct only. So give assurance. Okay, assurance. Everything is good. Okay, don't give assurance means yes, problem is solved by tomorrow. You can get like a 10 o'clock. So everything will be solved 11 o'clock. You can, if you don't get it, I will give you back kind of stuff. Don't do it. Okay. So don't give any guarantee. Give assurance. Assurance is different. Guarantee is different. Guarantee is like that. Is it should be happen.
Partially done.
If it is not happen, it is bounce back. You tell me.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So assurance, it means yeah, problem will be solved. So don't worry. So thing. Okay. This is so as I know the handling customers. Even though you are doing a telephone communication, so even though you are handling in a telephone communication, okay, guys, when I telling this on people, you people are thinking, sir, are we working on a call center? Are we working on a means technical support or what? Like that. Guys, any business, whether it is service desk or non-service desk or a technical support or a BPO or a software development or not a software development or a infrastructure management or any kind of IT business and IT work is the only two things. Service provider, customer. Service provider and a customer. Only two things are there. Whatever it is business, it is only two things. Service provider, customer. You build an application, you sell an application, customer use your application. You build an application for an organization, you build a website for an organization, you maintain a server for a different organization. You build an application and sell into the market so then anybody can able to buy it, right? You're providing internet services, you're providing a website services to the public. So these are all any customer. I am using Facebook, public customer, right? So like that. So it's so like the customer can be a public person or internal organization person, or it can be a one organization to another organization. But important thing is how you handle the customer. Okay, make sure customer should get the service as per you promised. That is very important. This is very important. If in case you are unable to provide a service as per you say, as per you given, okay, so the involvement of business level management is there. So whatsoever it is, by handling the customer is listen to the customer, listen to the customer, explain the situations, try to solve the problem or how it will be solve the problem, how much time it will take. So escalate the issues like that. Okay. So calm down that customer. So what is happened, guys? This is the thing. Okay. But nowadays people are not doing that one. People are doing only one thing. Either they shout on the customer. Okay. okay, reverse shouting on the customer, one thing. Otherwise, only thing is, sorry for your inconvenience, sorry for your inconvenience, kshama kar do, bas. And they said like nothing. There's no solution of that one. Simple example, I ordered food from the Swiggy, and by 12:30, 1 o'clock, by 12:30, 1 o'clock, I ordered no raining, nothing is there outside. So 12:30, 1 o'clock or 1:30 kind of stuff. I order a food by 12:31. I supposed to get food by 1:15 or 1:30. It's 2 o'clock again. I have a class. Okay, the guy not came until 2:30, and I may call him. Nothing is there. He is not reaching. Bike showing somewhere he went. He cancelled the food order, and after 2:30, like he cancelled it. And he called him like, sir, kshama kar do kind of stuff. He said a bike got a repair. He has to do the thing 1 hour before, right? He got a bike repair. Yes, it won't work for another half an hour. Cancel the food order. Tell to others to do like something. Give, maybe he called to the hotel and reorder or do some customer care related, right? He doesn't done. So not only this experience, I am recent experiences also there. So my point is, these are the important questions when it is comes to the customer handling. And customer can be a public or internal or a organizational level customers are there. Okay, that I will explain again. Now, up to now, guys understand what is a service strategy, service design, service operation, continual service improvement. In that one, I completed service strategy and business level management, service level management. Small parts are there. I will complete all these things. Only important points up to service transition only and other things. Okay, so this is pending, guys. This part is pending. What to do? Service operations, I will tell tomorrow afternoon. Again, okay, so tomorrow afternoon, I will continue service operations. Some more little bit points are there. I will cover tomorrow. Okay, but I will complete this thing today. So tomorrow morning, batch 15, guys, remember batch 15, tomorrow morning, you have a Linux class. Okay, tomorrow afternoon, batch 15, SD1, SD2. Sorry, SD2, SD3, sorry, SD2, SD3, having a this class. Okay. Or if you want to change, then you can. Okay, this plan, or if you want any change, I will change it. Okay. So we'll go to the point is availability management. Make sure all the components are available. Service, make sure the service is available. Sorry, availability management means service is available. Service is available means one server is running, you have to keep another server. One server is there, put a 2 servers or 3 servers. Why? Because if one server is down, no problem, other server provide a service. For example, it is a web server. One web server is down, website will be down. So make sure that other server will give you service if one server is down. Okay, so this is availability management. I have a meeting, that's why it is blinking. Okay, I will join in a little late. Okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, no problem. Capacity management, component capacity. I have enough RAMs, enough storages, hard disk, CD-RAMs, or processors, motherboards. Okay, networking components, capacity management. IT service continual management means how much continuously can able to give the services. It means if one service is down, okay, so other service is providing services. That is called a high availability. That is called a high availability failover. High availability and failover. But one server is down, another server is providing a service. But what to do with a down server? You have to repair it, right? So you can able to have a capacity to continuously provide a services. Example is always we give bad examples only. Like I want to take internet from the BSNL. So 10 years back itself. So I went to the BSNL office and I applied for a BSNL connection. They said, okay, connection is okay, but you have to, we don't have a cable. We don't have a cable. That's why we can't able to provide a service. So like is continual. It means you should have a capacity to provide a service continuously. Information security management. Information security management. You have designed your service design, your designs, your project information must be secure so then any other users cannot access your things. Like you done a yellow permission, deny permission, encryptions, like that. Only specific kind of users can able to access, others should not be accessed. Catalog management. Catalog management means you have a lot of services. Which services you are currently providing, which services you are removing, which services you are about to give. Those are all comes under again catalog management. Of course, I told same story in a portfolio. Portfolio means what services you want to provide. That is portfolio. Catalog, addition, subtractions, and pipelines is in a catalog. Okay. For example, telephone services, post related services means postal services. Nowadays, postal departments not providing post is very less, right? So we are not writing letters nowadays. We are not writing letters. Only fast that one only at the register post and fast post something is there, na? That is going on. There is a service of post office is emergency service, like a telegram service, not your telegram app. Telegram service is there, emergency messaging service. That service is removed from the post office. So that is retired services. Retired services. Service catalog management. What are the services? What services are removed? Now currently not providing or newly added. Supplier management. Who is going to supply your kind of stuff? Supplier management. Design coordinators. Design coordination means you'll get a coordination from people who are working in a service management, business units. Okay, customer also can able to tell what is your service design coordination. Tools we use it. For example, I want to implement a Java program. I use a Eclipse, Tomcat servers like that. So I use a certain IDEs to implement myself, right? So like that we can able to do it. Service transaction is deploy, build and deployment. Design is for designing. Service transaction is for deployment purpose. Build and deploy. In a build and deploy, anything is required in your service, you must change it. And I will tell change management again. That's why I'm skipping, not involving more. Service asset and configuration management. And another important one is release and deployment management. It means whenever you're completed, means your design is completed, your build is completed. Now you have to release the product to the customer. That is release and deployment management. In that one, how do you deploy to the customer? How do you deploy to the customer is very important. How do you deploy? Okay, so by personally going, our customer will come to your premises, or maybe through online, offline, like depends upon you build an application. Customer can able to download online. Customer will open it is by link or directly you deploy into customer computer, right? So that is release and deploy. Okay, I will give you one simple example. Guys, anybody know Android Studio, right? Android Studio idea is there, no? What is there? You can build an application in Android Studio, and what you will do? You'll put it in a Google Store. What customer will do? Customer download from the Google Store. This is called a release and deployment. Understand? Mobile apps. Okay. Transition and planning, service validation and testing. Okay, service validation, make sure it is working in a customers. Okay, take a survey. Knowledge management. Knowledge management. It means what is the product it is, what is the use of this product, how to use the product. Okay, any issues are there, how to solve it. Error management. So if it is generating some error, how to do it like that. What happening here? It is already slow. Sir, SGD batch 2 and 3 interview questions are same or not, sir? Okay. I shared, I think, yesterday. For a first batch, they got these questions. I don't know whether it is okay. Same questions they will ask or not. Okay. You can when you are contact, like once your training is completed. So when there is a discussion about interviews, you can ask Mithun sir or Mithun sir or Charan sir. Okay. So depends upon who is talking to you that time. Okay. So these are the main parts of ITI. Okay. So yeah, this part is there already. I told service operations. Yeah, of course. This continual service improvement. Continual service improvement is another hand. So continual service improvement is okay. It is take information outcomes of these life cycles, these steps, outcomes of all these steps, and analyze by continual service management. It is using 7-step improvement process. Okay, like that. So it will report what are the things you have to take care. So then you can improve the business. You can improve your business, long-term survival. It can improve the quality of the service, improve the customer satisfaction. Okay, how to improve the service satisfaction by continual service improvement. Guys, I said yesterday afternoon you have a class. Everybody having a class yesterday afternoon, that is based on service operations, monitoring, and any other things I want to tell. So it will take again time, at least 4 hours it will take time. Okay, so that's it for your service desk. Service operations mostly involvement in a supporting, monitoring. Okay, supporting, monitoring, finding issues, troubleshooting related. Even though if you see like this, service desk, okay, incident management, problem management, both are to solve the issues. Access management, giving permission to access. Event management, it means in infrastructure it is working, so many things will happen, the lot of events will occur. Okay, transaction failure, transaction successful, disk full, disk not full, like a kind of stuff. events are occurred, so you have to do the events. Customer request for access permissions like that, that is request fulfillment. Okay, so these are all we have to discuss tomorrow. Guys, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these two are first look at compulsory, guys. What are they? This is the only one thing I told, main important, that is what is ITL, what are the 5 life cycles. In each 5 life cycle, what are the things are important. Just look at that picture and you can get it. I will forward that picture and all either now or later. Okay. So tomorrow morning, batch 15 is there, and as well as guys, 15 batch complete the installation.